I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you are into fishing or wanting to get into it, this tool is going to help you. This is the Grip Grand Rapids 3-piece deluxe fishing tool set. We have friends that are big into fishing. We fished in Yosemite and also in our town of Fall River. The pliers have a clip that you can attach to your person so you don't risk it falling or getting lost. The needle nose part has so many useful features like a line cutter. It also has crimping capabilities towards the end. You also have fish grippers and the mono line cutter, which is used for trimming and cutting lines. This makes it a lot easier to tie your knot and then just clip off the excess of the line. It also has an attachment that you can use as a line splitter and a file that you can also use to sharpen your fishing hooks, just to make sure you can be as efficient as possible when you're out there fishing. This is great for if you're on a lake, river, on a boat. They all fit so easily in a bag, and the clippers are so useful if you decide to change your type of bait that you're wanting to use so that you can enjoy fishing and taking in the beautiful animals and scenery around you. You can run into some pretty amazing birds. You can just take this wherever you go, on the shoreline or on a raft on a river. This really helps fishing to be so relaxing and enjoyable. I just love how easy it was to carry it with me and to whip out whenever I needed it. And that's my point of view.